Alright, so today we're going to show you how to
customize your magic bands.
And you want to make sure to do this 30 days or more in advance of your trip. So, yeah, so you kind of have a timeline. It's 60 days. You can customize your magic bands as soon as you make the reservation. So, there are two ways to do this. When you go to the My Disney Experience, you need to go down to you can go to Magic Bands and Cards, or you can
choose your name.
Choose your name. And so that's usually how I do it, because I don't know, I kind of like that. And so when you click on your name, and as you see, I am Nerida, and so you can assign this to each person in your party,
a different avatar,
if you are managing their stuff, and if they have their own accounts, they need to do it themselves.
And right there it tells you when you need to personalize your magic band by.
And so, and actually this took me right to the Magic Bands and Cards page. I didn't realize that. So if you know that you're going there, you can actually
choose magic
just
bands
go straight there.
So although this gives you the option to decline your magic band, you should not do that, because at the present time, if you do that, it screws up being able to get into your room and everything. You'll have to go up to the front desk for them to basically key your magic band to your reservation.
Alright, so you can see when you need to customize it by. Make sure your shipping address is correct, because that's pretty important.
Yeah.
And we still have one magic band to customize. So we're going to choose customize right here.
Because you default to gray.
Yeah.
So if you're going to customize your magic band other than the color, you might be okay with gray, because there are stickers you can buy. People paint them with fingernail polish. There's all sorts of cool ways to make your magic band your own. In fact, we will link below the place that we got our stickers from.
Our Jack Skellington wants her name
Plus Ultra.
to be Plus Ultra.
But she does not want pink. She wants green.
Nope, actually.
Oh, did she change it?
She changed it on us.
Actually, I want pink. And I'm not surprised. She's a pink girl.
She is a pink girl. And and so something you should know, this name that you personalize with, that is, if you're in a ride that says your name or says, hey, from, I don't know, they say it on...
We went to Winnie the Pooh. I think it was Winnie the Pooh. And when you scanned for your Fast Pass, it said, hey, and your name, I think. I think it was Winnie the Pooh.
You can actually see all of our riding people who are in this party. Now, like Christina, she went into her own account and customized Tinkerbells and Mulans, because that's her family. And so you don't have to be the primary person to do this. And apparently Skellington and I are going to have the same color this time. I don't know why hers says Magic Band Pinning, but does not give a choice. But doesn't have a choice to do decline. Like all of ours are decline. But
that is weird.
That is so weird. So I'm not going to hit...
She's not getting green.
Do you want to change yours to green?
No, I'll keep it purple.
Okay. Well, and you can still update it. I'm not going to hit done yet, because I do want to test something after we do our online check-in. So there will be a time lapse here. While they were gone, we went and finished online check-in. If you have not seen that video yet, it's there. So be sure to go check how to online check-in.
Here, somewhere.
We've already online checked in, so now we're going to see if we can still customize, because we're still in front of the date when we're going to be going. We can still update. So were you thinking you might want to go a different color? You still can.
Green.
You want to go green? Green. Save. We're happy with everybody's colors. Happy with everybody's names. So I'm going to click done.
And now no more changing.
We'll see. I'm going to check now.
Okay.
I'm checking to see what done really does. It kicked me out to here.
It'd be funny if you're never really done.
I don't think you are until it ships.
Until it ships.
We can still update.
That's great.
So you can update all the way to shipping day, which is August 3rd for us. That is so close. So that is going to be, so you can update. The done is just to get you out of there, I guess, and make sure, and make you think that, oh, everything's
completed.
I'm done.
You're done.
Right. That is how you customize your Magic Bands. So if you want to see more videos like this, be sure to click subscribe down below.
And make sure you click that little bell too, so you're notified the next time we post a video.
There'll be a pinned comment below. Do you use your same names?
That is a good question.
Right, because I'm wondering, in our family, it's probably 90% does not use their same names.
I actually think I'm the only person. Right.
So that's going to be the pinned comment.
So she's Dawn.
She's Christina.
And we'll see you next time.